What would a snail and gorilla cross look like?
He's back!
Fish and gorillas.
He's back!